Okay. I am able to get those bad boys locked on there. Vice grips. It's more than enough room to get a bit under there and drill in there while it's held with the vice grips. Okay. Let's see here. Can easily get up there with the bolt or drill to get her out. I was gonna see if I can get in there with like a screwdriver or something, but I think I'd just bend the oil pan itself. It's gonna need to be drilled out. If I can zoom in just a little bit more here. Okay. So much room I have in there. You know, let's get an overall scope of the space under here. That's all we got to work with. Yeah, once again, that's the space.